Hi, everyone. About a minute on the scandalous number of people who die every year because of energy poverty, and more specifically because of indoor air pollution. As you can see, I'm back here in Austin. I'm walking on Barton Creek, but wanted to do a quick video to point out that 3.2 million people every year, most of them women and girls, are dying because of indoor air pollution. Before I get to that, if you don't know me, my name is Robert Bryce. I've been speaking about energy and power for more than 30 years. I've written 6 books, co-produced 2 documentaries. I give you the numbers and the facts, not the spin about energy and power. Okay, so back to the indoor air pollution issue. The World Health Organization estimates 3.2 million people every year die because of indoor air pollution. That is, they're cooking with wood, dung, wheat straw, charcoal, etc. They're breathing the fumes and dying from respiratory ailments. This is a scandal. So let me put this in perspective for you. So I live in Austin, Texas. The population of the city and the surrounding area is about 1 million people. 3 times more people die every year than the population of Austin. I was in the Woodlands on Saturday, and I explained to the high schoolers there, the population of Houston, Texas is 2.3 million. And yet, the size of the city of Houston, 3.2 million people dying every year because of indoor air pollution. In fact, indoor air pollution is killing more, according to the World Health Organization, every year than diabetes. It kills more than alcohol. It also kills more than, and this is a shocking fact, indoor air pollution kills more than AIDS, HIV, cholera, malaria, and tuberculosis combined. This is a scandal. And why don't we hear about it in the United States? Because we're inundated with messaging around climatism, about catastrophic climate change. And it's being promoted relentlessly by major media outlets and the climate NGOs, Sierra Club, you know who they are, Environmental Defense Fund, League of Conservation Voters, Natural Resources Defense Council, Climate Empowerment, all these, or Climate Imperative rather. These groups are spending hundreds of millions of dollars promoting this catastrophist narrative when the catastrophe is this indoor air pollution crisis. And it gets no play, almost no play. One other point. This problem could be solved almost immediately if these people living in rural areas mostly had propane or butane and had the stoves to use that propane and butane. LPG, clean burning fuel, would solve this problem almost overnight. But that's not part of the narrative. Instead, the narrative that we hear is hydrocarbons are bad and we should use less. Well, I disagree. I'm pro-energy. I'm pro-human. And that's the focus of my latest piece on Substack. It's called Climatism or Energy Humanism. Well, I'm for energy humanism. You know where to find my piece. It's on Substack, robertbryce.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.